Hello everyone, welcome back to Plan Travel Explore. This time we are in North India tour. We are exactly in Amritsar today and we are going to explore few places around. Now we are on the way to Attari where the Wagha Border is there. It is around 35 kilometers from Amritsar city. We have taken an auto till there. We reached Wagha Border and going in a cycle rickshaw till the next gate for around 300-400 meters. From this place we have to walk around 500 meters to reach the security check. In front of me you can see a parking lot, so if you come by your own vehicle there is a place for parking, and also you can opt for Ho bus, that is hop in hop off bus which is available in Amritsar, so they will bring you till here. We are in security check queue now. Nothing is allowed inside from this place apart from water bottle and camera. Finally we reached the place. This gate is called Swarna Jayanti Dwar. This is the last land border of India. So we are inside the gate. This is the gallery where we can sit and enjoy the retreat ceremony every evening.
सरहदों के वीरान अंधेरे अपने लहू के चिरागों से रोशन किए हैं। जॉइंट चेकपोस्ट अटारी भी बीएसएफ के जवानों के शौर्य और वीरता की खामोश गवाह है। 1947 में भारत के विभाजन के बाद ये जेसीसी बॉर्डर बिल्डिंग नंबर 1 से 2 के नजदीक स्थापित की गई। भारत स्थित महाराजा रणजीत सिंह की सेना के जनरल श्याम सिंह अटारी की जागीर का एक हिस्सा था।
The retreat ceremony starts at 4:30 p.m. in the winters and 5:30 p.m. in other seasons every day. A mesmerizing moment. I can feel the goosebumps, and every person or every Indian in his lifetime has to visit this place. The gallery is so big, and according to me at least there will be provision of around 6,000 to 7,000 seats.
ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಲ್ ನೋಡ ಅವರ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಯಿ ಚೈನ್ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು
tried to cover the events as much as possible. This event is so disciplined and worth watching it in a lifetime. I really recommend you to enjoy this event coming over here once in your life. At the end of this road there is a big gate. I am not sure you are able to see that or not, but that is the actual border of India towards Pakistan. Just after that they have their gate, which is their border. There is a person over there who encourages you to shout, encourages you to, say that slogans. So in this event, actually beside that gate there is a flag pole where every day our national flag is hoisted. At this event they are lowering the flag. With all due respect, they fold it and they bring back to the custody. So yeah, after enjoying this wonderful event at Wagha Border, we went back to Amritsar city and going to Golden Temple next. So we are in Golden Temple of Amritsar, which is actually Sri Harmandir Sahib, holy place of Sikhs. We enjoyed this evening view with all the lightings and all, and also there is a dress code here. We have to cover our head and knees, and yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching Plan Travel Explore. If you like the video, please do hit a like button and share with your friends and family.